Good morning, class 8th. We were reading the cell in science, which is chapter 7. In the previous class, we have seen cell shapes, and now in this class, we are going to read about relation between the structure and function of a cell. So, students, open page number 97 in your science book and keep a pencil with you to underline hard words. So first, you can see in this table amoeba. Amoeba has irregular shape. Irregular means not defined. With projections, underline this word projection, means overhang. With projections on its body. So this structure is called pseudopodia or false feet. These projections help it to move easily on any side, also help in catching food. Now about nerve cell. Nerve cell is very long and branched shape with thin thread-like projections. It helps to nerve cell to send messages over long distances in the body. Now about red blood cell. Biconcave. Biconcave means concave on both sides. Now what about concave? Concave means curved inward. So red blood cell is biconcave disc shape, provides more surface area for absorbing oxygen because it does not have nucleus. Now about mesophyll cell. Mesophyll cell is long elongated shape, allows for more chloroplast to be present inside the cell. This helps in photosynthesis. What do you mean by photosynthesis? The process by which green plants and some other organisms use sunlight to synthesize food from carbon dioxide and water. Now about cell sizes. Cell sizes vary a lot. Cells may be as small as a millionth of a meter. You can call it micrometer or micron, or as long as a few centimeters. Most cells are microscopic in size and are not visible to the unaided eye. It means that some cells are very small, so you cannot see them from your naked eyes. Next paragraph. In our body, the blood cells are the smallest and the nerve cells are the longest cells. This is the important point. So underline this whole sentence. In our body, the blood cells are the smallest and the nerve cells are the longest cell. Next paragraph. In plants, some algae have very large cells. Acetobacteria, a unicellular alga, is about 10 centimeter in length. So students, that's all for today. In the next class, we will see some more things about the cell. So thank you class.